Hey guys, this is I'm making a tutorial on team on Codeforces or 231A. Let me share my screen. So the problem says on a day, three best friends, Petya, Vasya, and Tonya, decided to form a team and take part in programming contests. And blah 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 blah. And then it says, long before the start, the friends decide that they will implement a problem if at least two of them are sure about the solution. Otherwise, the friends won't write the problem solution. And then it says, this contest offers n problems for the participants. For each problem, we know which friend is sure about the solution. Help the friends find the number of problems for which they will write a solution. So 1 means they can, and 0 means they don't know how to do it. So in this first one, it says, I can't scroll for some reason. So the first one says 110, which means at least two can do it, which means they can do it because it says if at least two can do it, then they'll do it. And for the second one, all of them can do it, so that means another problem that they can do. But the last one, only I think it's Petya can do it, so they can't do it. So 2, since they could do 2 problems. Say for the second one, they can only do 1 because for the first one there's only 1 1, and for the second one there's 2 ones. So the answer is 1. And here's a note if you want to read that real quick. Okay, let me go on the REPL and let's see if we can have an idea that we can implement. So first, let's create a variable n, and we'll read it n. And then we'll create a counter. We'll just call it int count, and we'll declare it to be 0. And now we'll run a for loop. So for int I equals 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. And we're doing this because we need to run through the code n times. Since like in here, let me click on here. Okay, so it says for the first one, so 3, and then there's 3 lines of code, or 3 lines of input. So something like that. Okay, and now we'll create 3 variables in a equals 0, b equals 0, and c equals 0. So we created 3 variables, a, b, and c, and they're all 0. And we'll see them a, b, and c. Now we'll run an if. If a plus b plus c is greater than or equal to 2, then we see out like then we do a counter plus plus. Because if it's greater than 2, then we know one of them, or like they can do the problem, so we increase the counter. And at the end out of the for loop, we see out the counter. So let's see if this works. See if it stops. Okay, and then we'll try 3. It's like 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. So the answer should be 2, and the answer is 2. Let's try a different one. Maybe like 2, 1, 0, 0, and 1, 1, 1. The answer should be 1, and it is 1. So let's submit this. Let's copy paste it in. Let's go to problem. Submit. Let's wait for it to load. Copy paste it in. Submit. And it is accepted. So to recap, all we did here was like declare variables, create a for loop, read in 3 variables, and then create an if statement to check if we added all of them together, if they were greater than or equal to 2. And if so, then we'd increase the counter, which is the amount of problems they could solve. And then at the end, we see out the counter. So I'll put the link of this problem in the chat, or in the description, I guess. So thank you for watching.